Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today Bank Nifty opened with a gap down, took support near yesterday's opening. From here we could see a decent momentum towards the upside. And this is the area from where market continuously started to show some bearishness. Traders, this is our private Telegram group. Today, somewhere around 9:22, we had discussed about important support and resistance level for Bank Nifty. Now, while speaking about Bank Nifty, I said 47,670 can act as the main resistance area. Exactly from this level itself, Bank Nifty made a momentum towards the downside. But if you would have noticed from the last 2 days, even though the market is respecting the levels which we are discussing, the moment what is happening is not that much favorable for option buyers. You would have noticed from the last 2 days, Bank Nifty has been just consolidating within a range. Now, after every consolidation, we can expect market to make bigger momentum towards the upside or downside. Now the next update which I shared in the private Telegram group was around 10:15. I shared a 3.5 minute video. In this particular video, I had explained my view about the market. My expectation was from the upper level, Bank Nifty has a potential of moving towards the downside. And without filling this gap, we can see a correction near 0.618 level of Fibonacci. And while speaking about Nifty also, I said at the current level, planning for a call option is not a good idea. Nifty can come to the quoting area, later it can correct. Now in this particular video, there's a lot of useful information. Now I've forwarded this video to our free Telegram channel also. You can go and check it out. Now even though our view about the market is correct, we are identifying important resistance level. Even yesterday, we had identified important resistance for Nifty from where Nifty fell. But the type of movement which market is making from the last 2 days, it is not that favorable for option buyers. Now what I personally feel is market is waiting for some kind of positive or negative news which is not yet factored in the market. This type of news can create bigger momentum in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. But still, there are some interesting price action patterns available in the market for tomorrow. Let us discuss about them now. Traders, since it's Bank Nifty expiry tomorrow, let's complete that first. This is 15 minutes time frame chart. Now on this chart, you can see Bank Nifty has been forming an rising wedge pattern. Continuously, this trend line is acting as a good resistance level and this trend line is acting as a good support. And if you notice, the range is becoming narrow and narrow. Now usually when market is forming rising wedge pattern, the breakout has to happen towards the downside. But when an important levels are broken quickly, retail traders easily enter the market. And also from the last 2 days, market is holding on to the upper range. Now what I personally feel right now is, let me switch to 5 minutes time frame. If Bank Nifty comes out of 47,700 range, it has a potential of moving towards the upside up to 47,800, 850, and maximum it can go up to 47,900. So around 200 points momentum towards the upside you can expect. After that, Bank Nifty has a potential of forming a false breakout from this level. Like I said already, this is a rising wedge pattern. Breakout has to happen towards the downside. But first market can give a breakout, attract some call option buyers. Later it can move towards the downside. So to avoid this, the best thing what we can do is when market comes out of this range, we should not plan for a bigger target like 400 or 500 points. Rather 47,850, 47,900. When this kind of level market moves, that is when we can consider our exit, because at any time market can create a false breakout. Now here you can see I marked two levels, right? 47,260, 47,700. As a retail trader, I feel avoiding trade within this range would be better. Yes, it is 450 points, but as long as market is trading within this range, I feel retail traders might not be able to make that much of a profit. Let's say market broke this trend line. Continuously it is acting as support, but I personally feel market can go for a retest. Then if it breaks this level, then we can say sellers are strong. So with small stop loss, we can plan for a put option trade where these levels can be our target towards the downside. Avoiding trading in this zone would be a best idea for a lot of retail traders. Let it come out of the zone. We will have bigger trading opportunities. Here you can see market is forming lower highs and lower lows and moving towards the downside, right? But even if market makes a momentum like this, in future we can get a breakout. So in this breakout setup is where we can capture bigger momentum in the market, not when market is slowly moving towards the downside. Because all of these things are trapping areas in the market. Let it come out of the zone, retest again, breakdown, then we can plan for a put option trade for bigger targets towards the downside. So this is my view about Bank Nifty. Tomorrow in our free Telegram channel, I will share the pre-market report after taking global market data into consideration. You can scan this QR code to join the group. Link is also shared in the description box below. As usual in private Telegram group, I will share live market analysis. So this is about Bank Nifty. Let's look into Nifty. Traders, this is 1 hour time frame chart of Nifty. This is just to show you on a higher time frame what kind of pattern market is doing. Now if I look at this, for me this seems like a left shoulder, this seems like a head, and market is trying to form a right shoulder. This is a bullish pattern. So at some point of time, if market gives a breakout, it has a potential of creating fresh all-time high level. One more setup which I notice is this has become a cup and market is trying to form a handle. This is also a bullish pattern. So at some point of time when market comes out of the handle level, then here also we can see a bigger momentum in the market. Usually the length of this cup becomes the target. I'm not expecting that big of a momentum, but still, even for creating a false breakout, if market goes up to 22,600 or 750, this is just close to 200 points movement in Nifty, which can turn out to be very profitable. On a higher time frame, we have seen what kind of setup market is performing. Now traders, this is 15 minutes time frame. There is a level which I have marked, which is 22,265 to 270. You see previously from here, this area was acting as resistance. Once this was broken, it acted as support, and now also in the market this area is acting as a supporting level. That is why I marked this. In the future this might be useful. Now I personally feel only after market coming out of this zone and gives a breakdown, that is when I would consider the sellers have become strong in the market, or else I'll be waiting for a cup and handle breakout setup or bullish head and shoulder pattern breakout setup. Now let me switch to 5 minutes time frame. Here you can see I marked a trend line here which is acting as a resistance, and this trend line is acting as continuous support. One thing that you would observe is the difference between the high and low has become bigger and bigger. Let's say tomorrow market opens somewhere here or here, it moves towards the downside. I feel 0.618 level of Fibonacci is where I can get a W pattern breakout setup where I can see a decent target if market goes as per the view from this supporting area. So that is when I'll be considering a call option trade. Or let's say market opened somewhere here, held on to this range and it gave a breakout and goes above 22,460 or 470 level. Then again I will look for a call option trade where this will be my first target, this area will be my second target, and final target will be 22,540. Because after giving a breakout near all-time high level, market has more potential, so I can trail my stop loss and hold on to the trade. Since my view is bullish, from the upper level if market falls near 382 level, market is taking support and gives a W pattern breakout setup. All of these things I feel is a call option trading setup which can be available tomorrow or day after tomorrow in Nifty. In case market opens with extreme gap up, then we have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes and see what can be the support and resistance level for the day. Based on that, depending on how market is respecting these levels, we can have a trading plan. Now when I identify these levels, I will share that in the private Telegram group. You can follow us there. I think India VIX is somewhere around 11. Let's say it goes to 15 or 18, we can see bigger momentum in the market. That is what I'm waiting for right now. So traders, this is my view for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this analysis, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you think this kind of content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.